Today, we are going to make your kitchen sink sparkle. So far, we have cleaned a lot of stuff in the kitchen. However, we cannot forget about the kitchen sink. It is the one thing that is used more than anything else. Normally, when we're done, we wipe it down and clean it out. However, once a week, it would be a great idea to add a deep sink cleaning to your weekly list. You're going to want to grab your homemade cleaning paste. If you do not have a recipe for homemade cleaning paste, I will include a link down to my video, down below, so that way you can make your own. Take this cleaning paste and a little elbow grease and apply it to the sides and the bottom of your sink. Then, using a non-abrasive scrubby, you want to use a little more elbow grease and you want to scrub all over the sink to make sure that you've gotten all the debris and the hard water stains and everything else off. Now, rinse thoroughly. Make sure that you got all of that cleaning paste off of your sink, and then spray it with a natural cleaning spray. Again, if you do not have a recipe for a natural cleaning spray, I will include a link to my video on how to make a simple yet effective spray down below. Then all you do is rinse the sink again and wipe it dry. Take a moment to stand back and look at your sparkly clean sink. Be proud of yourself. Add this to your weekly cleaning list. People, when they come visit your house, are going to be like, "Dang, she's clean and organized," and that's what we want. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational cleaning and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.